Creating multi-step forms that convert better is one of the easiest ways to boost your conversion rates and make your forms more user-friendly. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to design multi-step forms that drive results step by step. Let's start with the first point. Break up your forms into digestible chunks. When you give users too many fields to fill out at once, it can feel overwhelming. Instead, break your form into steps, like name, email, and details, in separate parts. This makes it easier for the user to stay engaged and reduces friction. People are more likely to complete a form if they feel it's simple and easy to follow. Next, use progress indicators. A simple step 1 of 3 at the top can let users know exactly how far they've come and how far they have left to go. This reduces uncertainty and makes users more willing to finish. It's like giving them a little goal to work toward. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects. Keep the steps relevant. Don't ask for unnecessary information. Every field should be there for a reason. For example, if you're collecting leads, ask only what you truly need at each stage. It keeps the process streamlined and builds trust with your audience. The last thing you want is to add fields that'll make them hesitate to continue. Another key factor to keep in mind is the user's experience. Make sure your form is mobile friendly. Most users will access your form from their phones, and if it doesn't work properly on mobile, you're missing out on a huge portion of your audience. Test your forms on different devices to make sure everything is responsive and easy to navigate. When it comes to actually designing your form, make sure you've got clear and inviting CTAs or calls to action. Instead of just submit, use something more engaging like get started or continue to step 2. This small change in wording can have a significant impact on conversion rates because it's much more action-driven. As you're designing, think about adding conditional logic. With this, you can make sure the form adapts based on previous responses. For instance, if someone selects a particular option, the next step can change, showing them only the relevant fields. This makes the form feel more personalized and keeps users moving forward without unnecessary distractions. If you want to follow along, I've got a special offer for you. I've tried all the popular software out there for creating multi-step forms that convert better, and I'm recommending one that I think will work best for you. You can grab an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you take advantage of it. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Creating multi-step forms that convert better isn't just about breaking up your fields. It's about simplifying the user journey, keeping it mobile friendly, and making every step feel relevant and personalized. To recap, break your form into steps, use progress indicators, keep the form relevant, ensure it's mobile friendly, and test your calls to action for better engagement. And, as a reminder, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in the description below. Thanks for watching.